Booba is waiting for his friend to arrive.
Booba, it's time for bed. You have to put on your pajamas. They're so cool. They have bananas on them, and mine have ducks.
That's one way of wearing your pajamas.
You're so silly. You're jumping like a bunny. But look how I can do. I can do a cartwheel. But now you have to put on your pajamas properly, like this. Get them off your head. Okay, now we're ready for bed. Good night, sleep tight, and don't eat lots of chocolate at night.
I think they've forgotten to do something.
Oh no, we forgot to brush teeth. You should always brush your teeth before bed.
If you don't know how to clean your teeth, Booba, maybe you should practice.
Booba, this is an example of our teeth. I will examine the instructions so that we know how to brush it properly.
It is very important that you brush your teeth properly.
Okay. I will take the pink toothbrush, and you take this one.
Put a small amount of toothpaste on your brush. Brush your teeth for 2 minutes, making sure you brush your teeth all over. You can even brush your tongue if you want to.
Booba, don't stop brushing. Remember, we have to brush it for 2 minutes straight.
When you've finished, make sure you rinse your toothbrush so it's nice and clean for next time.
We did it!
Well done! Today we have learned how to clean our teeth. Let's celebrate with a dance!